In this class, let us learn about the electrostatic potential due to a dipole. An electric dipole consists of equal and opposite charges separated by a distance 2a, dipole length. It is a vector quantity directed from negative to positive. Let us find the potential at a point P at a distance r from the center of the dipole. The potential at any point is the algebraic sum of the potentials due to individual charges. The positive charge is at a distance r1 from P. So potential due to positive charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r1. The negative charge is at a distance r2 from P. So potential due to negative charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus q by r2. The total potential is the algebraic sum of the two values. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 is common into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. R1 R2 is the LCM. So R2 minus R1 by R1 R2. R2 minus R1. To find R2 minus R1, that is AP minus BP. Let us draw a normal from B to the line AP. BN is the normal. Since the point is at a large distance, that is R is very much greater than the dipole length, BP is approximately equal to NP. So R2 minus R1 is equal to AN. To find AN, let us consider the right angled triangle ANB. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side R2 minus R1 by hypotenuse 2a. Cos theta is AN by AB. So AN is equal to AB cos theta. So R2 minus R1 is equal to 2a cos theta. But R1 approximately equal to R and R2 also approximately equal to R. Therefore R1 R2 is approximately R square. Therefore the potential V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 2a cos theta by R square. But Q into 2a is dipole moment P. So potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta by R square. So the potential due to a dipole depends not only on the distance R but also on the orientation, angle theta. It is angle between the dipole length and the distance vector. It is same as the angle between dipole moment and the distance vector. So P cos theta can be written as P dot r cap, because P dot r cap is P into cos theta. So the potential can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P dot r cap by r square. If the point is on the axial line, then theta is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1. Therefore, V axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into P by R square. If theta is equal to 180 degree, that is pi, cos 180 is minus 1. So, axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus P by R square. And for the equatorial points, theta is pi by 2 or 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, the potential on the equatorial plane is 0. Thank you.